To write an equation from a table, you just have to follow a couple of steps. Keep in mind that we're writing linear equations, so we're using the basic form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, the change in y over change in x, and b is the coordinate where x is 0, what is y. Let's take a look. In this table, the first thing I want to find is the difference in the x values, and I can see x is increasing by 2 every time, and the difference in my y values, also increasing by 2 every time. And now that I have those differences, I can find the slope by taking the difference in y, 2, divided by the difference in x, 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that means my slope is 1, or 1x. For my y-intercept, I want to find the coordinate where x is 0. And in this table, I can see when x is 0, y is a positive 12. So my y-intercept is plus 12. My full equation is y equals 1x plus 12. Let's take a look at another example. Okay. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to use the base equation y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, or the change in y, divided by the change in x, and b is the coordinate where x is 0, what is y. So now let's take a look. Find the difference in the x values. It's plus 1, plus 1. Find the difference in the y values. Plus 3, plus 3. Now that I've done that, I can find my slope by taking the difference in y divided by the difference in x. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. So in my equation, 3 is my slope. Y equals 3x. I'm not done yet though. I need to figure out my y-intercept. And in this table, I actually can't see where x is 0, so I need to find it. My pattern on this side was I was increasing by 1 every time. And to get from 1 backwards to 0, I can follow that pattern backwards one step, minus 1. I'm also going to follow my y pattern backwards, minus 3. So I'll look at 5 minus 3, which is 2. So my y-intercept is 2, because when x is 0, y is 2. I add plus 2 to my equation, and I'm done. Your turn.